there is something very dangerous about exploring, right? When I explored M&A and investment law as an intern, okay, I really liked it because my seniors were giving me legal research, some proofreading. Everything seemed new and very exciting. When I was actually working, I was given due diligence day in and day out. Suddenly, I did not like it anymore. So what was the exploration? Was exploration when I was interning, or exploration was when I was actually working? What is the real exploration? For you to actually understand an area of practice, you have to spend 2 years doing it deeply. Without that, will you have any exploration? What exploration? 1 month internship. If I interned shipping law with a lawyer for 1 month, do you think that was exploration? No. I got a flavor. I saw what they do. I saw what the office is like. I sat in the chair. That's the thing. Now, what is the option? If you can't explore in an internship, then how do you decide what to do? Okay, that's a very good question. That is an important question, and the answer is that you don't know until you have spent 2 years trying it. Something I have seen so many people who are like, oh my god, I love IP law, I'm fascinated by it, and then working in IP law, they're like, इसमें और कुछ होता नहीं है, कोई आर्गुमेंट करने को नहीं मिलता है, 2 साल से फाइलिंग ही करे जा रहा हूँ. Okay, क्या 2-3 साल के बाद कुछ बदलेगा? नहीं. So this is the problem, correct? Now you say that no, okay, capital market. Some people are fascinated by capital market. I'm like, यार इसको पता नहीं है कहाँ मरने जा रहा है. In every law firm, the people who stay till the morning in office without exception is capital markets. They have to pull the longest nights. They have to work the hardest. Now somebody in college is like, capital markets, capital markets. अब करेंगे तो तब पता चलेगा ना, right? अब कर then nobody likes. Then they're like, nahi, abhi I need a break. I can't do this anymore. Can I shift? Right? This is the reality. Now, this exploration thing is absolutely impractical. You have to, so what you can do is this, what I have done also. So, when I was giving law entrance exams, I convinced myself that I want to be a diplomat. Okay? For some reason. That I have to be a diplomat. I will go to United Nations. I will do this. Now this was all impractical, but it inspired me. I studied damn hard for whatever exam, law entrance exam was there. I ranked on the top, I got into a good college. That was necessary to think like that. Then while I was in college, I started researching about that more. That नाभी तो college में आ गया तो diplomat कैसे बनेंगे? Then I realized that it is basically I have to give IAS, UPSC exam, and otherwise I have to be a politician, right? And it's a government job. Suddenly interest went away. Then I said, ठीक है, अभी और क्या कर सकते हैं? Then I said, I'll be a corporate lawyer because I'll get so much salary. I'll get a job in a great law firm. I'm going to love it. Actually, when I was doing the job, I got depressed in 6 months. That's a different thing. But for important is that for 5 years, I was very encouraged by that I'm going to work in a top law firm. I'll be a deal maker. I'll be a great corporate lawyer. And that feeling kept me going. Right? I studied hard, I did everything. Because of that, I was able to pay my education loan in 6 months. Right? All of that is important. Now, then what happened? When I was in 4th year, I started going to startup events. And then I started seeing startup founders. And it was damn cool. Somebody out of college, just like me, from IIT, they have started a company. On the wall, there are all these sticky notes, there's a product roadmap written, right? It was so cool, and people are doing such amazing things. I'm like, ये कर सकते तो I also can do maybe, but how? I don't know. But ठीक है, देखते हैं. I'll figure out something, right? And more startups I saw, I got more convinced that I can do this. Now, by the time I went to a law firm, I almost had half my heart set that I will be an entrepreneur. This seems a much better thing to do, right? Now the thing is that you'll have that journey. You are not going to have. It's not like I looked at everything and I have come up on something final. But everything you pursue develops you. What is important? That you jump into it fully and not explore it, but get into it, get your hands dirty, fight, wrestle with it, right? Try to do your best in that. That develops you, that develops your muscles. That develops. When I was preparing so hard for whatever law entrance and all of that, I was reading a lot. That developed something in me. When I was working so hard for corporate law, all that knowledge later on helped me to build courses or get some insights that helped me to build my business. None of that is ever wasted. The next thing you do, it becomes an ingredient in that. Okay? But the tragedy is if you go and explore. What is the exploration? It's like I went, I saw, I played with a few things. What did you actually go to war on that? Did you develop any muscles there? Did you struggle with something? Because if you did not, then it is a wasted opportunity. Now that also requires those couple of years of focused effort, right? If you didn't spend a couple of years, I find it hard to believe that you even figured out any or learned something significant. So very important, even for a startup, you must give yourself 2 years. If you're going to build a law firm, you have to give yourself 2 years. And building a law firm is not about being a great lawyer. It may be 10-20% of that. Being a legal solution creator, correct? And you have to give up on your ego that I'm a great lawyer.